So in this video, you'll learn how to enable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So the first step is to simply open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then you want to scroll until you find Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. Tap on it. Next, look for the option Speak Keyboard Input Aloud and select it. And then from here, the first step to enable it is to just tap on the toggle at the very top to turn it on. Once it's been turned on, you can now go ahead and customize it to your liking. One of the customizations is simply adding a shortcut on your screen so that you can easily enable or disable this feature from the comfort of your home screen, your lock screen, or wherever it is that you are. So you can just tap on the toggle to add the shortcut, or you can just tap on the toggle to remove the shortcut. It's completely up to you. The next step is choosing what your keyboard is going to be saying. So you have characters, you have words, and you have characters and words. So it's completely up to you to decide which option you would prefer. And then you can choose how to customize the capital letters. So you have the option of doing nothing. So it will just say whatever it is without specifying on the capital. You can say capital and then the letter. So for example, capital D. You have the option of changing the pitch while it's saying the capital letter. And then you have the option of playing a sound so that it notifies you that is the capital, and as you continue typing. And then if you scroll even further down, you have the option of reading deleted characters aloud. So you can choose to enable or disable that. And then depending on how you've chosen your Speak Keyboard Input Aloud to read, whether it's characters or words, you'll notice this option called phonetic alphabet. So if you've chosen for characters to be read, you'll then see the phonetic alphabet option being seen. So you can choose to enable or disable this feature. And so whenever it's reading the letters aloud, it will use a corresponding component from the phonetic alphabet as it goes through the motions. So just have fun customizing it to your liking. Then when you're done, you can just close the Settings app and start using the feature on your phone. So just bring up the keyboard and then start typing out whatever it is that you want to type.
Change to English UK. BRITISH.
As you can see, whenever I'm typing, it automatically says whatever it is that I'm typing. So if I do a space,
British.
And then it will say the full word.
PLEAE.
As you can see, it's said the characters, and if I do a space,
Please.
it will say the full word. And so that's how you can enable and use the Speak Keyboard Input Aloud feature on your Galaxy A56, A26, and A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.
Symbols. Ampersand. Space.